So hey guys, today I'm back again with another question on Codeforces. So this is a level problem of division 2. So in this question you have given one array that contains only integer numbers, and the maximum number of elements in the array is 50 and minimum is 2, and each entry in the array can go up to 10 to the power 9 and least one is 1. So this is like in each test case you have given one array, then you need to do sum of, like, you need to take average of two entries and delete those two entries, and whatever you are getting you need to put again in the array. So this is the operation you need to do, and this operation you need to do it again and again. So while taking average, you need to do whatever final answer is coming, you need to take the greatest integer or floor function of that number. So basically here it is like you need to keep, if you are getting like any odd number after summation of two entries, so you will divide it to by 2, and then you will get some 0.5. Like if you have some 11, then you will divide by 2 and you will get 5.5. So if you take greatest integer function of that, so you will get 5. So here you no need to put greatest integer function while solving the question, because you are using integer type data, so that will give you integer only. So this is the whole question, and let's move to the explanation part of this question. So if we consider uh, one sort array like 1 3 8 5, and let's suppose 2. So if you do here like 1 3 4, 4 by 2 is 2, so 1 plus 3 by 2 is going to be 2. Then you have new array 8 5 2 2. Then 8 5 will give you 13. Okay, 13 by 2 will give you 6.5, so 6. So new array become 2 to 6. So 2 plus 2 will give you 4, 4 by 2 is 2, so new array become 6 2. So 6 2 will give you 8, 8 by 2 will give you 2, sorry 4. Okay, so if I arrange it in a different manner, 1 2 3 and 5 and 8, I have sorted the array, and then I will do the same operation again. So 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 by 2 is 1.5, you will get 1, 1 3 5 8. 1 plus 3 going to be 4, 4 by 2 is 2, so 2 5 8. 2 plus 5 is 7, 7 by 2 is 3, so 3 and 8, 8 and 3 is 11, 11 by 2 is uh, 5.5, so here it is 5. Okay, so if you can see here final answer was 4, here final answer is 5, so this is maximum, so this is your correct answer. Okay, so if you see, if you sort the array while doing the operation, like whatever you are getting and you are first time you have done what you got, you again put it in the array and sort it. So you need to do again and again this process. At the end you will get one number that should be maximum. This is the goal. Okay, so how we can do this question? If you take numbers like a, like this is a b c and d. So what we are doing here, we are doing just a plus b by 2 plus c by 2 plus d by 2. Okay, so how you can maximize this whole thing, how you can maximize this whole thing? Okay, so you can maximize this, because if you see this a plus b is divided by 2 and minus 1 time, where n is your size of the array. So if you can see, if you put here some smaller numbers, so that is going to be smaller smaller smaller, and if you have put some bigger number here, then that bigger number get decay many times. So if you want to maximize this, you should put here smaller numbers, and you should put here bigger numbers, because this d is going to be divided by 2 only one time. Okay, so whatever array you are getting, you just need to sort the whole array, and then you need to follow this operation. Okay, so the logic like here is like whatever array you are getting, first sort it and then do a plus b by 2, store it in some integer. Okay, then in this integer you just need to sum another number, whatever you are getting, store into another integer, that same integer. So this loop, it should run in a loop and until you get the last element done. So this is the whole explanation of the question, and this is the code. So basically here this number of test case t, then k is the size of the array, then I have taken one sum is for storing the sum of the averages. So and then this is a vector to store all the entries. I have stored all the entries through a loop and then I have sorted it, and sum, like I have assigned the first element to the sum, then I started taking one by one element from index 1 and summing it up and divided by 2. So at the end you will left with the largest sum. So that is your answer, and I hope you have understood this question very well. If not, you can comment your doubt. And thank you. Please share, subscribe my channel. Thank you for your support.